Hello friends, welcome to PHP video tutorials series. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss keywords in PHP. What are keywords? Keywords are reserved words. Keywords are reserved for specific purpose. Their meaning and purpose is already defined within the PHP. Keywords must be used only for the purpose for which they are defined. For example, echo is a keyword meant to display some text or some value in the browser. If is a keyword meant to execute some set of statements based on the condition. For is a keyword defined for execution of set of statements repeatedly. Try, catch, throw, finally are keywords which are meant to handle exceptions. Where is a keyword which is meant to create variables. Include is a keyword which is meant to include one PHP file inside another PHP file. So there are more than 65 plus keywords are there in PHP. They are meant for specific purpose and you must and should use only for the purpose for which they are defined. All keywords are defined in lowercase letters. Hence, keywords must be written in lowercase letters. Note, keywords should not be used as identifiers or user-defined names or programmer-defined names. That is, for naming variables, constants, arrays, functions, objects, etc. you should not use keywords, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood what are keywords. Keywords are reserved words. They are reserved for specific purpose. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss each of these keywords in detail, step by step. We understand how to use these keywords, when to use these keywords, etc, etc, etc. I think for this video tutorial, this much is enough, friends. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand everything clearly, try to remember everything. For more benefits and be up to date, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.